Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how to access the audio for the Rights to the Streets of Memphis reading this weekend. Remember, you are actively reading, so you need to highlight, underline, circle, but most importantly, jot down notes on every single page about different parts of the story. So once you go to www.classzone.com, which is the link that I gave you in the email, you are going to want to sign in. So that is in the upper right corner with the white letters. Up here it says sign in. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to this page that says sign in. Your username is going to be English Ramirez, but it is a capital E and a capital R. Please make sure that you type it exactly as is because it is case sensitive. So you're going to type in English, capital R, Ramirez. Okay? Now, the password is exactly the same as the username. So it is also English Ramirez, capital E, capital R. To make life easier, I'm just going to copy it. I do Control C, and I'm going to paste it, Control V, but you can copy paste however it is that you do it. Then you're going to submit, and it will take you to this page and tell you that your sign-in was successful, okay? Once your sign-in is successful, you're going to click on Return to Classzone. That's going to take you back to the home page. You should be able to see McDoodle Literature Grade 9. This is the textbook that contains the story that we're reading. It's also the textbook that we'll be using periodically throughout the year. So you're going to click on the book, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Online Book. You're going to click on Online Book. Sometimes you're going to get a box that says Activation, something, something, just... don't worry about that. That's not important. You can click on that option so that it doesn't pop up anymore. And once you open up to this page, you're going to go to page 112. That is the start of our story. You'll see that the highlights that we made in class are going to be there. And in order to get the audio, you're going to click right on this button on this left-hand side that has the little speaker on it. You're going to click on this arrow, and you'll see that the audio will start.
The Rights to the Streets of Memphis. Richard Wright.
How do you stand up to a bully?
Okay, so there you go. That's the audio. You do have the option to fast forward a little bit, so if you want to forward like the intro summary, you can.
Read along to find out.
First, I was not aware of what hunger...
Okay, so you can have that option of forwarding and rewinding. The only thing I do ask of you is to not use the tools. The tools here have highlighting, notes, etc. Do not use them because all of you are using the same username and password. So if you highlight on this page, it will highlight on everybody's page. Okay? So please do not do that. You are required to make those notes and highlights and underlining and circling and all that. It should be on your hard copy that you got in class. All right? I'm also going to upload a hard copy digital form on modules in case you lose it, and you can print it out again, so you have options, okay? If you don't want to copy your notes on the paper, then I guess you can write them in your notebook. You just have to make sure that you write what page number it's on, but really it's better if you just write on the document because they're copies of the story and you can write all over it. When you're ready to turn the page, you're just going to click right up here by the page number. There's 2 arrows. That's going to click forward.
You'll have to wait, but I want to...
And it'll automatically start because you already have the speaker on. And you can do that. Okay, so please make sure you take a look at this and you actively read for Monday. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.